Hello, and welcome to my table. This is gonna be a fun one because this video is sponsored by Max Speeding Rods. Did you know they make more than just suspension? They've got turbos, engine internals, and maintenance parts as well. Yeah, I had no idea either, but they do. And this is one of them. Well, it's a turbo at least. It's a GT35 turbocharger, and it's not for me. This is actually much too large for any of my cars. Well, I guess it's not really. It's for like a 3 to 6 liter engine, make about 600 horsepower. But yeah, I don't have the money for a 600 horsepower turbo build. So what I'm gonna do instead is I am giving it away. We're gonna do an unboxing and then I'm going to rebox it up, and in a live stream here this coming Saturday, I will pick a winner and I'll ship it off to you to use in your crazy turbo projects or as wall art or something. I mean, turbos look pretty cool. Maybe you could get a tattoo of one. And in the meantime, take a look at the links in the description below to take a look at Max Speeding Rod's website. They've got quite a bit of stuff, like an obscene amount of stuff depending on the car. Like if you have a 90 Civic, you are set. And if there's something there that you want, you can get 15% off with the coupon code 100%. That's percent spelled out. People always get that wrong for some reason. Anyway, let's get to the meat and potatoes here. Seriously, this thing weighs an absolute ton. I'm going to go absolutely broke shipping this. I really wanted to do like a madcap opening thing with like a chainsaw or something, but then I realized I need this box. So yeah, we're just gonna use a big knife. Big, it is a knife. You know, I really should stop cutting towards myself. Seems like a bad plan. What is this tape? Is this just garbage knife? Yes, it's that one. Okay, come on. Oh my gosh, trying to unbox a turbo with the world's worst knife. Ooh, it's not just a turbo. We have some literature and some metal gaskets. Customer service card, yep, pretty standard. Oh no, it's a customer service envelope. Very fancy actually. And then we have oil, line, gasket, exhaust gasket, and a round gasket. I have no idea what kind of flange this is, but we'll find out, maybe, because I'll probably look at it. Still have no idea what flange it is. Yep, foam, oh my God. Okay, hang on, I gotta set this on the ground. No wonder it weighs so much. Holy beans! Is there anything, hang on, real quick, is there anything else in the box? No, cool. Okay, I have to open this in a way that I can still repack it. Hang on, I need more tools for this. They closed it with a zip tie. I have found my people. Legit. That is. So this is a GT45 turbo, and I didn't, 45, right? Hang on, sanity check. GT45 turbo, yeah. I didn't really appreciate how big that is. Journal bearing, so oil film, looks like it's oil cooled, not water cooled. No shaft play or anything, nice smooth operation, that's nice, but oh my God, look at the absolute size. So looks like we have twin scroll, or at least looks like twin scroll. I'm not actually sure what the compressor design is. I don't really know enough about turbos to talk intelligently about them. Looks like V-band on the back, that's what the round gasket was for. Just basic oil fittings and air fittings. So if you have an enormous V8 that you want to make go really fast, oh my back. A turbo becomes big when it's the size of my face, and this is the size of my face. And if you want a turbo the size of your face for your crazy project, I did say wall art, but honestly this, you need a heck of a stud to support this. Hey. Yeah, so I'm really good at this whole YouTube thing, and I actually never really explained how to actually enter. So let's first give me a follow on Instagram at 100%Jake. There will be a post there about the turbo. Leave a comment on that, and this Saturday on a live stream, I will be choosing a comment and messaging that person, and they'll win the turbo. Yay! It doesn't get much simpler than that, really. I need like a protein shake or something. So this is a bit of a weird video. Again, check out the links in the description below. Check out Max Speeding Rods, helps the channel out. And thanks to Max Speeding Rods for supporting the channel and small content creators like myself who wish that someday I had a car that I could actually put a turbo this size on. No, I'm not putting it on the Buick. I know everyone's gonna want me to put it on the Buick. Just no. Thanks for watching.